Hello! My name is Melissa T. Gamba, and I have been a grade 2 public school teacher here in the Philippines for 6 years. I hold a bachelor's degree in agriculture, major in agricultural education, elementary option. And I have earned a Master of Arts in Education, major in Administration and Supervision. I love teaching with kids. I am passionate about fostering a positive, engaging learning environment where students feel empowered to reach their full potential. I believe that every student is unique with individual strengths and areas for growth. As an educator, it's my job to recognize and support those differences, creating a personalized learning experience for each student. Collaboration is a cornerstone of my teaching practice. I work closely with colleagues, parents, and administrators to create a supportive learning community. Thank you so much for considering my application. I look forward to speaking with you soon. God bless!